Hello, this is your international street preacher and poet from Palm Springs. No, I meant Palm Tree. Sorry about that. Got a brand new poem inspired by a young lady that explains itself. True story. It's titled "A Million Birds." A knee-high girl stepped to the door of the thrift store and said, "Look, there's a million birds flying by." She was aware of things most never see. The birds' ballet. Darlings, starlings, grackles, cowbirds, and red-winged blackbirds dancing the blue to black in the sky. Her innocence in simplicity. I remembered when that was me. How about you? Do you remember the most simple time in your life? When life happens? Hope you enjoyed the poem. Please like, share, and subscribe. This is your international street preacher and poet. I'll see you soon.